No, here, take it. Just here. Look. See, it's on. It's kind of a given now. You can do whatever you want.
You know what? Take off right to left and land left to right.
That could work.
I don't think it matters too much. There's not much wind.
Either way, yeah.
There's a little bit from that way. You can tell by the smoke. I don't know what they're burning, but it smells nasty. Like plastic almost. Yeah. It's black smoke, which means it's something chemical. All right, going up.
Yeah, but afterburner looks good on
That's right. It's bone stock too. It's kind of weird. It's coming and going though.
Put your gear doors back on?
No.
You can't even tell when it's on.
No, because they blend in.
Mine off too, because you had to do this exercise with that Aviation.
I go so tired of it.
Every time you would turn it on, you had to cycle the gear once or sometimes twice until everything was going together, and then you were good to fly.
Which is ridiculous. And then mine burned out, so I didn't even use it. And then all it takes is that initial. Now, all it takes is the first time in the morning, 2 clicks, and then it works. And then every time you click up after you plug in, it works. I don't like the sun. Sun is in the worst place possible.
Where are you going?
Yeah, that was kind of funky, Ricky. You notice that?
There. Just do your whole flight down there.
I could fly over here.
I didn't think that was going to come out of that.
I was like, whoa, is it going to make it? Oh, there's a little bit of the moon right there. I didn't even see that. And there's all the stupid smoke coming over here. You might be. That's awful black smoke. It's controlled. They're doing it themselves. They're burning trash or something.
There you go. Just stay down there. That's one thing I like about helicopters. You can just do your whole flight
Wherever you want.
Your
Yeah.
back.
9,
One more fast pass and I'm done.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Time expired.
All right, so I'm doing a gear pass and landing.
I think yours sounds smoother than mine. I don't think mine is very well balanced.
I haven't touched mine, so.
I didn't touch mine either. Yours sounds a little smooth.
I'm tempted to put an FMS in there, but.
Braking.
All right, landing, guys. Oh, that sunset looks pretty cool. I looked away. I looked away that whole time. What is that weird wind right there?
Normal mode.
No flipping this bad boy. Alrighty. I need to get it to fly with the throttle like that though. See, look at the burner in the back. Look at the burner in the back and see if I can get it to do it. If I can get it to fly like that the whole time, it'll be good. Like that, something like that. That'll work. I can get it to come on and off, but not the full flicker.